Best PC Cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at 5 of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NZXT H7 Flow. The NZXT H7 Flow 2024 is a modern mid-tower ATX PC case designed for optimal airflow and streamlined cable management, making it ideal for gamers, PC builders, and enthusiasts prioritizing cooling and clean builds. This updated version of the H7 Flow features 3 pre-installed 120mm fans, 2 in the front and 1 in the rear, to ensure strong out-of-the-box airflow. Its ventilated front panel and top mesh design promote excellent thermal performance by allowing maximum air intake and exhaust. One standout feature is its support for bottom-mounted fans, which offer dedicated GPU cooling, especially useful for high-end graphics cards that run hot under load. The H7 Flow supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards and offers plenty of space for high-performance components, including large GPUs up to 400mm, radiators up to 360mm, and tall CPU coolers. It also includes a toolless design for easy installation and quick access to components, with a removable top panel and dust filters for simplified cleaning and maintenance. Cable management is another strength of this case. It features NZXT's signature cable management bar, built-in cable channels, and Velcro straps on the rear side of the motherboard tray, helping to keep the interior clean and organized. Overall, the NZXT H7 Flow 2024 delivers a balanced blend of form, function, and thermal efficiency, making it a great choice for users who want excellent airflow, modern styling, and flexible cooling options without the need for liquid cooling right out of the box. Its emphasis on GPU-focused airflow and ease of building make it particularly appealing for gamers and creators using powerful hardware and a minimalist, high-performance chassis. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. The Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is a versatile mid-tower ATX PC case designed for both aesthetics and high-performance builds. It features a fully modular design, allowing users to customize the layout and components easily, making assembly and upgrades straightforward. The case supports a wide range of motherboard sizes, including up to eATX, providing ample room for powerful, high-end setups. One standout feature of the Qube 500 Flatpack is its vertical GPU mount, which not only enhances the visual appeal by showcasing the graphics card but also helps improve airflow around the GPU, potentially aiding in better cooling performance. Cooling is further supported by the pre-installed 120mm SF black rear fan, which helps exhaust hot air from the case efficiently. The case is well suited for liquid cooling enthusiasts, supporting dual 280mm radiators for efficient thermal management. This means users can install high-capacity radiators both in the front and top or other configurations, depending on their cooling preferences. This flexibility ensures the case can handle demanding cooling setups required for overclocked CPUs and powerful GPUs. In terms of design, the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack offers a clean and modern aesthetic, with a flat-pack construction that likely makes shipping and handling easier while maintaining structural integrity once assembled. The build supports good cable management options and plenty of space for storage drives, making it a practical choice for both gamers and professionals. Overall, the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is a solid choice for users seeking a modular, spacious mid-tower case with robust cooling options, flexible motherboard support up to eATX, and an attractive vertical GPU mount to showcase high-end graphics cards. Its design balances form and function, catering to enthusiasts who want both performance and style in their PC builds. Number 3. InWin A3. The InWin A3 Micro ATX gaming chassis is a sleek, compact, and stylish PC case designed for gamers and PC builders who want a powerful system and a smaller footprint. Its micro-ATX form factor makes it ideal for builds that require smaller motherboards while still offering good expandability and airflow. One of the key features of the N1A3 is its built-in ARGB fan, which adds vibrant, customizable lighting to the case. The ARGB lighting is compatible with most motherboard software, like Asus Aura Sync, MSI Mystic Light, and Gigabyte RGB Fusion, allowing users to personalize the look of their gaming rig with a wide range of colors and effects. This enhances the aesthetic appeal, making it a standout piece in any gaming setup. The chassis is designed with efficient airflow in mind. The front panel typically includes mesh or ventilation areas to maximize air intake, helping to keep internal components cool. The included 120mm ARGB fan is strategically positioned to improve ventilation, which is essential for maintaining optimal performance during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. In terms of build quality, the N1A3 offers sturdy construction with attention to detail. Its compact size doesn't compromise functionality. It supports multiple storage options, including standard 3.5-inch and 2.5 drives, as well as modern GPU and CPU cooler compatibility. Cable management features are also integrated to keep the interior tidy, improving both airflow and aesthetics. Connectivity is well catered for, with front I/O ports including USB 3.0 and audio jacks for easy access. The case supports standard ATX power supplies and provides adequate space for various components, making it versatile for different builds. Overall, the N1A3 Micro ATX gaming chassis is an excellent choice for gamers and PC builders looking for a compact, visually appealing case with built-in ARGB lighting and solid airflow capabilities. Number 4. Fractal Design North XL. The Fractal Design North XL Charcoal Black TG Dark is a premium full-tower PC case designed for high-end builds, combining robust functionality with a sleek, modern aesthetic. It stands out with its striking charcoal black exterior and dark-tinted tempered glass side panel, offering a refined, understated look that fits well in both professional and gaming environments. One of the key features of the North XL is its spacious interior, which supports a wide range of components including ATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards. Its roomy design allows for the installation of large GPUs, multiple storage devices, and expansive cooling solutions without compromise. This makes it ideal for enthusiasts who want to build powerful systems with extensive customization. Cooling and airflow are prioritized with multiple fan mounting locations and support for extensive water cooling setups. The case can accommodate up to 9 120mm or 140mm fans, and supports radiators up to 480mm in size. This flexibility ensures excellent thermal management, even for the most demanding hardware configurations. The charcoal black finish and dark tinted glass help reduce glare and give a subtle, sophisticated presentation of internal components. Storage options are plentiful, with dedicated mounts for several 3.5-inch HDDs and 2.5 SSDs, allowing users to build storage-heavy systems. Cable management is well thought out, featuring plenty of routing holes, Velcro straps, and ample space behind the motherboard tray, ensuring a clean and tidy build with good airflow. The build quality is solid, using high-grade steel and tempered glass, while the case also offers front I/O ports with USB Type-C, USB 3.0, and audio connections for modern connectivity. Overall, the Fractal Design North XL Charcoal Black TG Dark is a versatile, stylish, and high-performance chassis designed to satisfy demanding PC builders who want both aesthetic elegance and functional excellence in a large full-tower case. Number 5. Thermaltake View 270 TG ARGB Matcha Green. The Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow is a stylish and functional mid-tower PC case designed for enthusiasts who want to build high-performance systems with impressive aesthetics. It supports eATX motherboards, offering ample space for larger builds and advanced cooling solutions. One of the standout features of this case is its dual tempered glass panels on the front and side. These crystal-clear panels provide a premium look, allowing users to showcase their internal components, RGB lighting, and custom water cooling loops. The sleek white snow color variant enhances the modern and clean appearance, making it ideal for white or light-themed builds. The case includes 3 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans that deliver excellent airflow and customizable lighting effects, enhancing both cooling and visual appeal. These fans can be controlled and synchronized with popular motherboard lighting software, allowing for seamless integration with other ARGB components. Thermaltake has designed the View 270 Plus to support up to a 360mm radiator, making it highly compatible with custom or all-in-one liquid cooling solutions. This support ensures that even high-end CPUs and GPUs can be kept cool under heavy loads, maintaining optimal system performance. In addition to cooling, the case provides excellent expandability and cable management options, enabling builders to maintain a clean and organized interior. The spacious design accommodates multiple storage drives, expansion cards, and power supplies. Durability and peace of mind are ensured by Thermaltake's 3-year warranty, reflecting confidence in the case's build quality. Overall, the Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow Mid-Tower case is an excellent choice for PC builders who want a combination of modern aesthetics, strong cooling capabilities, and practical build flexibility, all wrapped in an elegant white chassis with vibrant ARGB lighting.